Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel a meeting in Outlook without sending a cancellation notification to attendees. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook web app by heading to outlook.cloud.microsoft in your web browser. Once you navigate to this URL, Outlook will load your email interface. This web version gives you full access to your calendar and meeting management features, making it perfect for quickly handling your appointments without opening the desktop application. After your email interface is fully loaded, it's time to access your calendar where all your meetings are stored. Navigate to the left side of your screen where you'll find your quick access toolbar. This toolbar contains shortcuts to all the main Outlook features you use regularly. From here, click on the calendar icon. This icon typically looks like a small calendar grid and is one of the primary navigation options in Outlook's sidebar. Once your calendar menu opens, you'll see all your scheduled meetings and appointments displayed in your preferred view, whether that's day, week, or month. Now comes the important part. Look for the specific meeting appointment that you wish to cancel without sending any notification to the attendees. When you've located it, right-click directly on that meeting. A context menu will appear with several options for managing the appointment. From this list of options, simply click on the Delete option. This action is crucial because it removes the meeting from your calendar immediately without triggering Outlook's default behavior of sending cancellation emails to all participants. The meeting will be cancelled and removed from your schedule, but the attendees won't receive any automatic notification about the cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your meeting in Outlook without alerting any of the attendees through the standard cancellation notification system. This method is particularly useful when you need to quietly remove a meeting from your calendar without causing confusion or when you plan to communicate the cancellation through other channels. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.